Hello everyone, welcome to my class. So we were discussing chapter 4 from your history part, social science. So as I told in your last class that I will discuss the question answers from your exercise, and we had already finished the discussion of the lesson. I hope you have understood what I have taught. So I will now give you the question answers. And one important thing is, in this chapter, non-cooperation movement, up to non-cooperation movement is essential for you. After non-cooperation movement, Ministry of Gopinath Bordoloi and the institutions after independence, these are not necessary for your HSLC examination, as SEBA has reduced your syllabus due to pandemic. Okay, so I will give you the question answers up to non-cooperation movement, and I will skip the question answers from Ministry of Gopinath Bordoloi and the institution after independence. Okay, so let's start the question answers. At first, very short answer type questions. Number 1, when was the Treaty of Yandabu signed? Answer is 24th February 1826. Number 2, which period is known as Company Raj in Assam? Answer is from 1826 to 1858. Number 3, when was Bengali language introduced in Assam? Answer is in 1836. Number 4, when was Bengali language replaced by Assamese language? Answer is in 1873. Next question. What was the mouthpiece of Assam Chhatra Sanmilan? It is Milan. What was the main objective of the Rayat Sabha? The main objective of the Rayat Sabha was to raise voice against the newly introduced land settlement in Assam by the colonial state. 7 is, when was All Assam Rayat Sabha established? Answer is on 8 April 1933. Who was the secretary of Ahom Sabha? Padmanath Gohai Barua. Next, number 9. When and under whose leadership was Jorhat Sarvajanik Sabha constituted? Jorhat Sarvajanik Sabha was founded in 1884 by Jagannath Barua. Number 10. Who were the first president and secretary of Assam Provincial Congress Committee? Answer is the first president Nabin Chandra Bordoloi, and the first secretary was Kuladhar Chaliha. Number 11. Who was the first formally elected president of APCC? Answer is Vishnu Ram Medhi. Then, who was the first Prime Minister of Assam and when was he elected? Gopinath Bordoloi. Actually, the part that Ministry of Gopinath Bordoloi is not necessary, but short question I have given you. Okay, but the part Ministry of Gopinath Bordoloi is not necessary for your HSLC examination. Okay. Number 13. On what crime Kushal Kumar was hanged? Kushal Kumar was hanged for derailment of a train at Sarupathar. Okay. So number 13, up to number 13 is enough for you, because in your HSLC exam there will be questions up to non-cooperation movement. So the answer will be enough for you. Okay, then short answer type questions. Number 1, write a brief note on Assamese Literary Society. Answer is Assamese Literary Society was established in 1872 under the leadership of Debicharan Borua and Ganga Govinda Fukan. The proclaimed objective of the society was literacy, but it also played political role. Next, give a brief trace of important nationalist rise in Jonaki age. The answer is Jonaki never involved in politics, but the articles and poems published in it reflected the nationalistic view of the authors. And Lakshminath Bijbarua's More Desh, Assam Sangeet, Bin Boragi, etc. and the writings of Ambikagiri Rai Chaudhuri used to popularize nationalistic sentiment. Number 3 is write briefly on the political demands of Ahom Sabha. Okay, it will be found in your book, page number 63. So it will found here Ahom Sabha, paragraph 2, second paragraph. In 1910, the Sabha was renamed as the Ahom Association. It became overtly political. A significant political demand of the Sabha was to get recognition for the Ahoms as a minority community and reservation of seats in the assembly and a separate electorate for Ahoms. Okay, the association worked hard towards this goal throughout 1930s and 40s. So the answer is up to here. Next is number 4. What were the issues raised by Assam Association before the British government? So the answer is given in your book very clearly, page number 65. So it is the answer, page number 65. It is the answer. So some of the issues raised by the association were 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 issues. You have to write them. Okay. Next is mention about the Assamese leaders who had led the non-cooperation movement in Assam. The Assamese leaders were Chandranath Sharma, Hemchandra Borua, Omiyo Kumar Das, Muhibuddin Ahmed, Lakhidhar Sharma, Rohinikanta Hati Borua, Benudhar Sharma, Nabin Chandra Bardoloi, Vishnuram Medhi, etc. Write about Cunningham Circular. So the answer is, when the students in the Brahmaputra Valley resorted to the boycott of their institutions to demonstrate their protest, R.J. Cunningham, Director of Public Instruction, issued a circular on May 1930. It was known as Cunningham Circular. Through this, the students and their parents had to provide an undertaking guaranteeing that the students would not participate in any kind of political activity. So, these are the answers from 1 to number 6. And number 7, 8, 9 is not important for you. It will not come in your exam. So, in your next classes, I will give you the answers of long answer type questions. Okay. So, for today, thank you.